Double Cross. Place face down in round effect. Copy opponent's next revealed faction play after they complete all of their turn's actions. If a face down faction appears, wait until reveal card is played. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is round 5, and I'm going to go ahead and play Double Cross face down. The round might change, say to 6. Say the opponent plays a round effect face down. I cannot copy that because it has not been revealed. So maybe another round goes by and the opponent does finally play a card. It's not revealed this. He's going to go ahead and play Power Strike and kill 1 Corporation or blue card and 1 Law Enforcer or blue card. So he's going to go ahead and kill these thinking he just took 10 points away from me, and he did. But I'm going to immediately flip over Double Cross and say, hey buddy, I get to do the same. And I'm going to take even more points away from him. And that is Double Cross. Thanks for watching the video. For more news and updates from the Master of Wills team, just subscribe to us below.